Hello folks, I'm Lamb Hug. Right now, Hugalicious is on a vacation. I'm his sidekick, by the way, okay? Okay. Now, this blue house you see right here, this blue house, that is Red Hickinson's house. He is wanted for stealing water from water fountains. He is also wanted for animal cruelty to squirrels and peeing out in public, okay? Now, see that blue house? Yeah, that's a nice blue house. That's his car right there. Yeah, got 24-inch rims. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, right now he is in a bat with a shotgun and beer. Let's see who's gonna win this fight. Let's go. Bat, 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 bat.
Who are you?
I am Lamb Hug. Bat. Oh.
Bam!
Whoa. Wanna settle this? Let's go. What? Oh. 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 Yeah. Blam. 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 Blam.
Bam!
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, looks like him has done the job. Woo! Yeah. Bah, 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 bah.